Imagine this. You're ready for an intimate moment, but instead of feeling secure and comfortable, you're worried. Will it work effectively? Is it safe? Are there any harmful chemicals? If you've ever struggled with traditional birth control methods, whether it's side effects, discomfort, or simply wanting a hormone-free option, you're not alone. Many women are looking for a safe, reliable, and easy-to-use alternative. What if I told you there's a simple solution that gives you control without the downsides? Stay with me, because in this video, we're diving into the problems with conventional birth control and why Caya Diaphragm Gel might just be the game changer you've been looking for. For decades, women have had limited choices when it comes to birth control. Hormonal contraceptives, pills, patches, and implants can cause weight gain, mood swings, and other unwanted side effects. IUDs, while effective, they require insertion by a doctor and can cause discomfort or irregular bleeding. Condoms, not always reliable, and can take away from spontaneity. And let's not forget those moments when you just want to feel confident that you're protected without adding unnecessary chemicals into your body. So, what if you could have a non-hormonal, easy-to-use, and highly effective option? That's where Caya Diaphragm Gel comes in. Caya Gel is specially formulated to be used with the Caya diaphragm, providing an added layer of protection in a completely natural and hormone-free way. Why is it so effective? Works as a spermicide. The gel creates a natural barrier, preventing sperm from reaching the egg. Water-soluble and non-irritating. Unlike many chemical-based spermicides, Caya Gel is gentle on the body while being highly effective. Easy to use. Just apply a small amount to the diaphragm before insertion, and you're good to go. And the best part? No hormones, no harsh chemicals, and no long-term side effects. Thousands of women are making the switch to Caya Diaphragm Gel and experiencing. And it's not just women. Health professionals recommend Caya Gel as a safer alternative for those looking to avoid hormones or medical interventions. So, if you're tired of the side effects, the uncertainty, and the hassle of traditional birth control, it's time to take control with Caya Diaphragm Gel. Order now from homehealthcareshop.com and experience the freedom of a natural, hormone-free alternative. What are your thoughts on hormone-free birth control? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe for more health-focused solutions that put you in control.